Understanding PDF file. Basics A. PDF file is a format used for sharing documents that include text, images, and other media. It maintains the formatting, regardless of the device or software used to view it. The role of lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum is placeholder text commonly used in the graphic, print, and publishing industries for previewing layouts and visual mockups. Accessibility features. PDFs can be designed to include accessibility features such as tags, alt text, and bookmarks, which help users navigate documents more effectively. Security aspects of PDF files. PDFs can be encrypted with passwords to restrict editing, copying, or printing, ensuring that sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access.